Hello children, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to see how to start and shut down a computer. So this video is for grade 1 and name of your chapter is starting and shutting down a computer from your computer science book. Are you all ready to listen? Yes. Have you all started or shut down a computer? Do you use a computer? Your parents will be having, right? So often if your parents is working, you will go with them and you will do something in your parents computer. Some of you will be having PCs, personal computers, like our school. Yes, some of your parents will be having laptops. So I hope you used a computer somewhat. So let us see some important steps to be followed while using a computer, while starting and shutting down a computer. The do's and don'ts, what you should do and what you should not do during using a computer. So this is what we are going to see in this lesson. Okay children? So we know about the parts of the computer and their uses in the previous classes, and we also know about how to work with the computer. So now let us learn how to start and shut down a computer. So we are going to learn about steps to start a computer, step to shut down a computer, and do's and don'ts for healthy use of a computer. To do some of the things is a good, and to do not do some things. These are some of the steps to be followed while using a computer. So steps to start a computer. First let us see some of the steps to start a computer. How will you switch on the computer, children? How will you start a computer? So first you should go to the switch box and you must switch on the switch from which the power has been taken for the computer. Yes? So go near the switch and switch on the switch from which we are taking power. Yes? So the next one is switch on the power button which is connected to the switchboard. Yes? You will go to the switchboard and switch on to which the power has been connected. Now step 2 is turn on the UPS by pressing the power button. So first we must switch on from the switchboard. Next one, you should switch on the UPS connected to the computer. So the power button you should switch on. Step 3 is switch on the CPU by pressing the power button. So first you must switch on the switch box, the power which has been taken to your computer. Second one, you must switch on the UPS, and third one you must switch on the CPU, power button of the CPU. These are the 3 steps to switch on a computer. So this is your CPU and you must switch on the power button to on a computer. Then step 4, switch on the monitor by pressing the power button. So each thing will be having a power button. To make it on, we must switch on the power button. So you must switch on the power button given in the computer. The next one, once we switch on the computer, we can able to see the screen called desktop. So first we must switch on the switch from which power has been taken. Second one is your UPS. Third one is your CPU, and at last you must switch on the power button from your monitor. So what you will get after that? All the power buttons you have switched on. So next you can get this desktop. This is your desktop. This you can able to see the desktop after switching on the all the buttons given in the PCs. Yes. So from here you can work anywhere. So you can paint, you can prepare a document, you can put a PowerPoint. So you can play games. From here you must switch on the start button and go anywhere or work with any application whichever you can see in the desktop. So these are the ways to switch on a computer. So these are the steps to be followed in order. Then only we can make a healthy computer. We can follow the steps to maintain a good computer. The next one is your steps to shut down a computer. So you know how to switch on the computer and you computer. See, one of them is going near the monitor. So what will happen? It will cause damage to your eyes. Yes. So this is the right way of using a computer. You should be having some distance in between you and the computer. So this is the right way of using a computer. Don't sit close to the computer. The next one, do not switch off the CPU directly. So what you should not do? After switching off, after shutting down your desktop only, you must switch off the power from the CPU. You should not directly press the power button to switch off the computer. The next one, you should always follow the correct steps while shutting down the computer. And the computer screen should not be touched with fingers, pens or pencils and should be cleaned with a dry cloth. What you should not do? The computer screen should not be touched. You should not touch this screen often with pen or pencil or with your fingers. And what you should do? You should clean the desktop screen by using a dry cloth. You should not wipe with your hand. You should use a dry cloth to clean the monitor of your computer. Yes? See, you should clean your computer with a dry cloth and not with your hands and fingers. The next, your mouse should be kept on a mouse pad. You should not simply keep on a table and rub the mouse. You should use the mouse pad to place the mouse. You should keep the mouse on the mouse pad and you should not play with any wires attached to the computer. What you should not do? You should not play with wires and current. Yes, the power fluctuation will occur. Yes, so you should not play with the power cables, wires and cables. And food and drink should not be kept near the computer. It should be kept away from the computer. What you should not do? You should not take the food items or beverages. Beverages means drinks near the computer. So what will happen? If you spill something near the computer, your computer will get damaged. Yes, so you should not take your food near the computer. It should be kept far away from the computer. And always practice working quietly or talk in a soft voice in the computer lab. So inside the computer lab, you should be quiet. You should not shout. Yes, you should use soft voices to ask for doubt with your friends or with your teacher. Yes, so these are the steps to be followed while using the computer, children. So what we saw about the how to switch on a computer, how to switch on the computer. The next one, how to shut down a computer, and what are the rules to be followed while using a computer. These are the three topics we saw in this lesson. Yes, to switch on a computer, what you should do? First, you should switch on the power, and next one, you should switch on the UPS power button. The next one, CPU power button. Fourth one is your monitor power button. So these are the first four steps to be followed while switching on your computer. Yes. The next one, you can see the desktop after switching on all the four power buttons. The next one, what will happen? So you can see a desktop and you can do whatever you want in a computer. So after your use, what you should do? You should shut down the computer. You should make it off. So how you will do? First, you should go to the start button which is given in the corner of your desktop. So a pop-up menu will appear. In that you must click on the shutdown option. So the power in the desktop will get off. Then later on you must switch off the power from your CPU, and then at last you must switch off the power from which we have taken in the switch box. Yes. So these are the steps